Бейнеролик BRICS-PET компаниясының қолдауымен түсірілген, тек сол жерде жоғары коэффициенттер, оперативті қызмет және де жедел төлемдер. Егер спорттан хабарларыңыз мол азамат болсаңыз және де аз емес ақшаны тез арада көтергілеріңіз келсе, дәл осы компания сіздерге арналған. Еске салайық, тек осы жазда тегін бонустар мен керемет конкурстар ұйымдастырылады. Бас жүлде су жаңа iPhone XS ұялы телефоны. Жандос промокодын қолданып, жеңімпаз болуға асық. BRICS-PET сілтемесі төменде.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to it's all for nothing. And we fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something. And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade on your halo. Burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swore I'd never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't begin to pull me back to the ground again. It's like I've been awakened.